Hello Internet, let me show you how to make a HDR image of shots with a different exposure in Photoshop. Here are my 5 shots, all with a different exposure from -2 to +2 EV. In Lightroom I select the 5 images. In the develop mode, in the tab Lens Correction I select Remove Chromatic Abberation and enable Profile Corrections. Next I go back to the library mode and with the 5 pictures selected, I right click on one of the pictures. Now I can select Photo Merge HDR, but I won't select that because that is the HDR action of Lightroom itself. And this video is about how to do it in Photoshop. So I click Edit in, Merge to HDR Pro in Photoshop. Photoshop will open up and start importing the 5 images from Lightroom. Once imported, Photoshop will align the images and then this screen will open where you can set the white point like I do right now, and I usually set it to not blow out the brightest part of the picture like this. Next you can select Remove Ghosts. As you can see in this image, some people were moving in between shots, so to remove that motion blur I will select Remove Ghosts. The picture with the green rectangle will be used as a basis. Next click OK and Photoshop will create the HDR. Once processing finished, just save and close the picture. After saving, the picture will appear in Lightroom where you can adjust it to your liking. And this seems fine to me, so the next step is to export the image and you have a beautiful HDR image. I hope this was helpful to you. Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.